coffee. We talk recalls. How would you like to be the one lonely guy, not robot, on the assembly line responsible for a very teensy-weensy recall? Could you imagine going home to your spouse?
Wait, what happened?
Well, Subaru apparently made a very small recall, and they'll be issuing those out, but apparently an improperly tightened nut has forced Subaru to announce a recall. Now, this nut is basically on that select lever cable assembly down at the transmission, and that can cause some problems. According to Subaru, an improper torque wrench technique was used. In other words, the setting wasn't right, but it was a total of not hundreds of thousands, but 383 cars.
Because it was the cars that this particular human being touched.
One individual. And so, like, for sure, Susie, every man and woman counts on that production line.
It matters.
Yeah, so according to Subaru, a single associate assigned to a specific production line working between the production dates specified was found to be using an improper torque wrench technique.
Wow.
I just feel,
I feel for him.
Now, if we find out that Subaru fired this guy, we're coming after you, Rich. Because I guess that would be an honest mistake.
It would be an honest mistake.
And you would think production lines just don't loosey-goosey it. Everything is tightly planned.
Processed, yeah.
Protocol.
It's all
Imagine
processed.
being that guy.
I know. That feels so...
but thank God, it was only 383, and it wasn't like a loose fuel line. Blew up before it left the factory.
Man, Frank, I feel bad.